back here through Carpenter, and Dunbar are going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Fifteen laps to go. Jacob Paul's left rear tire already has sparks flying off of it, and we're not even really under the momentum yet. Green this time. Watch them as they come out of turn 4. Green, green, green. Here they go. Jacob Paul brings them to the flag stand. Good start there. Hall brings them out of 2. Good racing action behind him. Rockard trying to reel in Mason. Grigsby up about midway up the track. Jacob Paul pulling away from him. Good run for Jacob. He said fast time. Won his heat race and trying to pull off the trifecta. Every lap so far has been better, but oh, what happened there? Unfortunate break for the leader. Oh, my heartbreak hotel for the 43J of Jacob Paul leading this one. I just bragged on his second lap being even faster, and that car set down on him in the middle of 1 and 2. He'll start the race. Again, they're bunched up 2 by 2 behind him. Let's watch Jacob Paul, guys. Again, I pointed it out to you. There's some sparks flying from that car before they ever fired. Not going to have trouble that time, though. It's smooth sailing for Jacob. Ahead of him, though, up front, Mason's going to lead this lap. Or is he? Yes, indeed, he will. Rockard on his back bumper, though. He's trying to take away the top spot. This one not over, folks. Good race for the lead, and then an excellent race for third spot. Brandon Mason from the back of the pack up to number 3. Got a great view in front of him as Rockard to the inside of Andy Mason. Watch them as they go into 3 and 4. Oh, get together over here, and Brandon Mason breaks. Caution in the middle of 3 and 4. Tough, tough break for the 15 car. Cannot get to Grimblum's off his back. 4 in the books, 11 laps to go. 4 in the books, 11 laps to go. Andy Mason leading the way. Wade Rookard to his inside. James Grigsby on the outside of row number 2. Green, green, green. Here they go. Coming out of turn 4. Mason takes them into 1 and 2. Boy, look at them. Everybody diving for that spot. Somebody going to run out of real estate. Not enough room. Grigsby backs out of it just a tick. Don't look now, but here's Jacob Hall. Says, hey, fellas, remember me? I'm the guy that led this thing in the beginning. Back up to the top 5. He's currently 4th, looking for 3rd as he goes around Grigsby out of turn 4. And oh, my second place car of Wade Rookard hits that tire. And unfortunately, that's going to bring out a caution and put him to the back of the pack. Jacob Paul trying to get up there and show his car to Mason. Grigsby says, you guys battle it out, and I'll take the top spot. Watch them. Green, green, green. Here they go. Haven't talked much about Hunter Feltner, but Feltner on a good run. Marcus Griffith and he running side by side for the 4th spot right now. Got a 3-car battle for the front spot and a 3-car battle for the 4th spot. Jacob Hall midway up the track on the outside of Andy Mason, trying to reel him in. Not going to do it that time, but he made the next. All eyes up front right now. Andy Mason leading. Hall wants it. James Grigsby got the best seat in the house. Oh, nice racing action there for you in the open wheel modified. Mason and Hall side by side. Gotta love that. Hall got him at the stripe, but Mason says, I got one more run in me. On the outside, Hall, though, takes the lead. Grigsby trying to reel both of them in. Jacob Paul got it turning in the right direction once again. How about that? He spun out, went to the back, and worked his way through the field and is back up to the number 1 spot. Coming up on 10 laps in the books. Hall pulling away down the back stretch now. Jacob has been super fast when he's been able to get out and run some clean air. James Grigsby holding steady in the 3rd spot. Hunter Feltner trying to reel him in. Ahead of them is the previous race leader, Andy Mason. Got 2 flags in hand, getting ready to show them 2 this time as they go under him. 2 laps to go. Jacob Paul last week was runner-up to Dustin Mosley. This week he's going to do one better if he can continue to pilot this 43 machine around the Speedway. Checkered flag flies. Congratulations to Jacob Hall. 2nd place going to go to Andy Mason and James Grigsby 3rd. Feltner and see Papa Bear Kevin Hall going over and checking things out as he climbs out of that car. Race fans, put your hands together for him. Jacob Hall put on a show, man, again, as he worked his way through the field. Jacob, we're going to try our best to get a microphone over there to you, brother, and give you an opportunity to thank your help and so forth. But I knew this was going to be a fun race. Open wheel modifieds continue to put on a nice show for us here. They bringing him that check over there, and as they do, we'll congratulate him and give him an opportunity again, as I said, to talk to us here just for a moment. Hey, Jacob, if you can hear me down there, brother, congratulations. As they hand you that mic, take this opportunity here to thank all your help, brother.
Check, check.
Again, let's give him that mic, and good run for you, brother. You had an excellent showing there as you went from the back of the pack off of that caution to take the win. Congratulations, pal.
What do you think about tonight's race?
Well, I about screwed myself. I don't know. I was just coming off of 4, and the car just shut off on me. The ignition switch was on and everything, and I wiggled the master switch, and then it come back on. So we have to figure that out. I don't know what the deal with that is, but you know, I was like, man, can't nothing go right. I mean, I've been close a couple of times this year, but I ain't never won until tonight. I've just had such bad luck. But you know, I guess I didn't want it the easy way.
Well, that's true, and I noticed that you come around and come to the front on the high side.